Well, it's 28 degrees. See if it'll start. Now there's your proof that it hasn't been moved or started. Whew. Let's see if this thing will start. This thing hasn't been moved or even started probably for a few months since I did that last video of it. It's got no battery. Not gonna start. Well, it took some college effort. Finally got some jumper cables close enough. Alright, had it on the jumper cables for about 5 minutes now. As you can see, them clearance lamps are on and I can't get them to go off. So, I don't see a clearance lamp switch on here. Well, if it was, it'd be there. But they won't go off, and that's probably why the battery's dead. Let's see if this thing will start. Alright, we'll try that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, third try. See if it'll even turn over. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'd had the charger on it for a few hours now, and I got those lights, clearance lights, disconnected, so they will quit draining the battery down. See how good batteries are. They're not shot or probably frozen. Yeah, I guess it needs to charge for a little longer. Alright, we'll give her one more try. Well, I'm surprised it turned over that much.